Hi friends, in this video I am going to take you with me to the verdant gorge of river Mahanadi, Satokosia. Today I started my journey from Monglazori, that is surely a paradise for the bird lovers and the ornithologists all over India. I am going to upload a video on Monglazori soon. As for now, have a glimpse of Satokosia with me. Satokosia Tiger Reserve is located in the Angul district of Odisha, where river Mahanadi passes through a 22-kilometer long gorge in the Eastern Ghats mountains. There are 5 points where you can enjoy the unearthly experience of jungle trekking, river cruising, stargazing, sports, etc. You can accommodate yourselves in the tents. They are Sands Resort Badmul, Tikkarpara Nature Camp, Chotkei Nature Camp, Tarafa Nature Camp, Bagmunda Nature Camp, and Nature Camp at Baliput. After having a magnificent experience of boat safari at Monglazori Swamp, I set off for Satokosia Sands Resort. At Monglazori, I have got the chance to witness numerous species of migratory birds. On the right side of your screen, you can see the bank of river Mahanadi. It is already 1 p.m. and I expect to reach at Sands Resort near about 4 p.m. I have just reached Satokosia Sand Resort at Badmul, and now I am going towards my tent. I am awfully excited. I can't describe it in words. These are the cycles that you can have and have a ride in the afternoon. This row of tents on the river bank and on the backdrop these mesmerizing mountains. I'm overjoyed at the moment. I am walking across the riverbed and going towards my tent. This is a kind of experience that I will have after a long time. I am really excited. I can't tell how excited I am. After enjoying a spectacular sunset from the sunset point, now I am having a cup of coffee and enjoying a local folk dance that is being performed right now. At the moment I am enjoying campfire in front of my tent. Now it is awfully cold right now, and this is the end of day 1 at Satokosia. To see more, I will go for a bike ride, river cruising, stargazing, canopy walking, and lots more. This is the day 2 of my Satokosia ride. After an early morning bath, I am getting ready for the day's enjoyment. It is going to be a busy day full of excitement and thrill. I am going to enjoy canopy walk, river cruising, cycle riding through the verdant forest of Satokosia. Hi guys, welcome to Satokosia Nature Camp, and at my background you can see my camp. I didn't expect that this place would be so beautiful. It is beyond my expectation, and you can see the last one, camp number 6, is mine. There are 20 sandom camps where you can stay at night. Spending time in affectionate nature is very precious to many travel enthusiasts like me, young and old. breathing the fresh air, hiking in the forest, spending time in front of bonfires, and camping under the star-studded sky at night is a healthy way to relax your soul. So I think it would be a great idea to spend the night in these sandom camps at Satokosia. Many Swiss tents, AC and non-AC, available at the sandbar campsite. And this is the playing ground. You can play beach volleyball, badminton, football, basketball, everything is there. And at the lap of the hill there are 3 or 4 cottages. This is the way to bathing ghat, and that is the sunset point. Kind of a skywalk at Satokosia nature camp. As you can see, I am moving over it. It is early morning at Satokosia nature camp. It is time to have some breakfast. Let's see what is in store for today. Can I have toasted breads? Okay, thank you. This is the jetty where from Mahanadi Wildlife Division and Forest and Environment Department of Government of Odisha organize river cruising. Located in the heartland of Odisha and spread over 4 districts, namely Dhenkanal, Ongul, Kotok and Nayagarh, Satokosia is a beauty to be reckoned with. The magnanimous Mahanadi River almost bisects the Tiger Reserve into 2 halves and passes through one of the deepest gorges of Asia over a length of 22.5 km. Hence, it derives its name from Shat, that means 7, and Kos, that means miles, meaning 14 miles or 22.5 km river gorge, Satokosia. Sightseeing on Mahanadi River along the Satokosia Gorge. All boats are commissioned with safety gears and trained boatmen. Boats are equipped with special binoculars for bird watching and wildlife spotting. Satokosia provides you ample opportunity to identify and know different birds like Malabar pied hornbill, Indian skimmer, variety of ducks, kingfishers, terns, pratincoles, woodpeckers, raptures, drongos and many more. The area has a healthy population of marsh crocodile, gharials and freshwater turtles. you would definitely see them merrily basking in the sun by the river bank. Now it is time to ride through the verdant forest of Satokosia. I spent some time playing football, and then I saw the sun dipping behind the shadowy hills, and the magical tinge of the west sky began to fade away. It is a magical experience. I don't know how much I have been able to showcase this to you.
And hit the bell icon for timely notification of more interesting videos in future. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below and share with your friends as much as possible. Thank you very much for watching the video till the very end.